Let's talk about how to fix Forza Horizon the error if the thought well, online services not working in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
But don't slam your controller in frustration just yet. We're about to put the pedal to the metal and explore every possible solution from simple fixes to more advanced troubleshooting to get you back on the road and dominating the online circuits. Prepare to conquer that error and rev your engines for uninterrupted online fun. Before we dive into complex fixes, let's cover the basics. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and working properly for other applications. A simple restart of your game and console or can often resolve temporary glitches. Also, double-check that your Forza Horizon the game is fully updated to the latest version, as patches frequently address known issues. If a quick reboot didn't work, it's time to look at your network setup. Try power cycling your router and modem by unplugging them for at least 2 seconds before plugging them back in. If you're on Wi-Fi, consider connecting your device directly with an Ethernet cable to rule out wireless interference. Make sure no firewall or antivirus software is inadvertently blocking Forza Horizon's connection. Now let's get into solutions specific to the game and your platform. You can verify the integrity of game files through Steam or the Spot Up to repair any corrupted data. For Xbox players, try clearing your console's persist and storage kit in the network settings. Sometimes reinstalling the game entirely might be necessary as a last resort, but we usually try to avoid that if possible. For those comfortable with advanced settings, consider port forwarding for Forza Horizon through your router, which can optimize your connection. If all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to official Forza support with your specific error code. They can offer more tailored assistance and investigate potential server-side problems affecting your connection. Remember, there's a whole community ready to help.